there, boys and girls. Good job for starting your math lesson on this beautiful day. We are practicing our division skills this lesson and in this activity, and we are going to do it really fast. It's not going to take a whole lot of time, and you will do well if you take time to look at each step along the way. And let me just share that activity with you and help you to get started. And if you want to, just take your paper with you so that you can just work along with me to get started. That is fine with me. All right. So today is Tuesday, May 26, 2020, and it is a beautiful day. This is the activity that you're going to start with today. It's called Division Problems 2.1. We're going to be counting animals. Number 1 says, how many groups of 2? You need to count how many groups of groups there are of these paired fish. You can count them just by pointing at them. How many groups there are, you could put a dot under each of the groups as you count along. You could circle them, you can number them, whatever strategy works best for you. And then you put the number of groups on the line. Now, number 2 says, how many groups of 3? So you're going to circle these groups of 3 or count how many groups there are just by pointing at them and put the number on the line again. Continue for each group of animals for the rabbits, the cats, and the clownfish. Remembering to put the answer on the lines as you go. I told you it was pretty straightforward. You got this. The second page is called Division Problems 2.6. Use the pictures to help you to work out the division problems. So this time it tells us how many groups there are, and it tells us how many are in each group, and you need to figure out how many groups there are. So it says 15 divided by 5 equals, and you need to figure that out. You could color each of the groups of 5 different colors. So color these seahorses or circle them into groups of 5. Number 2 says you're going to be taking these 20 bunnies and making them into groups of 5 as well. And then number 3 says take these socks. There are 16 socks. You're going to make them into groups of 4. So again, you could circle them, color them, whatever suits you best. Number 4 says 10 divided by 2. So take these pigeons, group them into 2s, and then find how many groups there are. Finally, number 5, 20 starfish. 20 divided by 4 equals how many groups? And once you're finished that, then you are finished your math activity for today. I know it's harder and harder as the days get more and more beautiful and warm outside, and you just want to play or hang out in the shade. But remember, we're not doing these activities in our school because we want to, although that really helps. We're not doing it because our parents are telling us to, although it's important to listen to your parents. We are doing this work because God is our God, and we want to show our love to Him by using our minds and stretching our abilities and just honoring Him in this. So we're working for the Lord. We're not working for men. We're working for the Lord. So keep on doing your great work. I'm so proud of you for working on your activities each day. Good job.